Okay, so welcome to a new video, guys. And here the box has finally arrived, and as you can see, it has a Flipkart.com branding, so it's from Flipkart. And I had mentioned in my previous video that I had ordered for a, I had decided for an upgrade, and the Lumia 520, which I am currently using as my daily driver. Of course, I don't have any other smartphone, so that had developed some problem due to memory limitations. And it had almost become a 2-year-old device. I had been using it for 2 years, so it's time for an upgrade. And since I'm a Windows Phone fan, I decided to go for a Lumia phone and help Microsoft in the OS market. So so you already know that it's a Lumia 640. So let's just open the box, and let's have a look at the device. First of all, we do have something here. Might be a bill. Okay, so it's the bill, and let me show you the price. The Microsoft had released this phone for 12,000 rupees, 12,000 Indian rupees, and in April probably, and the price had reduced to 10,000, and it was available on Flipkart for 9,000 for some time. And I purchased this on 22nd June. There was an offer. The price was 8,500. That is a 500 rupees discount, and there was a further 10% discount for the SBI users. So finally, I purchased this for around 7,700. So that means I got almost a 4,000 rupees discount. So almost 8,000 I paid for this. So that means I paid 65% of the original MRP. So that's a great deal. Now let's open the box. Flipkart did take a lot of time to deliver this. Also, I should have got the delivery by yesterday, but they messed it up. And when I complained, they gave it delivered, had it delivered today. Here's a huge box, and inside is this package. Let's keep the box aside. So here's the package, bubble wrapped nicely. It's actually quite thin box. Let's have a complete look at the box first. As the Microsoft branding, since it's a Microsoft phone, no more a Nokia phone. Lumia 640 comes in different colors. I chose a black version which had a matte finish, unlike the colored ones which had glossy finish. Dual SIM. In India, you don't have the 4G. It doesn't come with 4G capability. Some more info. The MRP quoted is 12,000, and so I paid only 65% of the MRP, and that too it's only a 2-3 months old phone. It comes with a powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 chipset. There's the phone battery adapter, earphones, and manual, and these are the 4 colors. There's no USB cable inside. Now this is quite a thin package. Let me compare it to my Lumia 520 package. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so here's the Lumia 520 packaging, quite small yet thick. And here's the Microsoft packaging. You can see the difference. Okay, now let's not waste any more time and do the proper unboxing. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's slide this out. Ta-da! So there's the phone. I'm pretty much excited. Looks great and feels very light without the battery. Let's keep it aside. And what else? You might have already seen the unboxing videos, so nothing special. Here's the huge battery. Comes with a Microsoft branding. It's a 2500 mAh battery. Would suffice for a dual SIM phone probably. There's a quick guide. Nobody gonna read that. Let's keep it aside. What else? Yeah, the cheap, extremely low quality headphones. Nobody uses that. I have a lot many, at least a 4 or 5 such headphones that lie unused. Here's the normal charger. It's the same that comes with a Lumia 520. Let's have a look at the ratings. So it has a 750 mAh rating. If you can see that, it's difficult to focus. So it's the same charger that comes with the Lumia 520. Nothing else inside the box. So let's keep the box aside. Here's the phone. Okay, feels great in the hand. So let's look. It has a 5-inch 720p display, and here's the Microsoft branding, above which is the speakerphone, and there's the front facing point 0.9 or maybe 1 megapixel camera. Here's the microphone hole. On this side you have absolutely nothing. At the bottom you have the micro USB port, data and syncing and charging port. Here's the power button and the volume rockers. Here you have the 3.5 mm audio port. Okay, so here's the Microsoft branding and it's black version, so it comes with a smooth matte touch finish. Here's the 8 megapixel camera with a flash. Now my Lumia 520, using which I am shooting this video, does lack a flash. So, but even then, the low light photography is decent, but not that great. And you have to remove the back cover from here, same way as you do it in the Lumia 520. Here are the 2 SIM card slots. Both are 3G, I think, or maybe one is 3G and the second is just 2G. And on the top you have the micro SD card slot over here. So let's pop in the battery. So here it goes like this. Now the design is similar to how the other Lumia phones are, and there's nothing extraordinarily different. I think Microsoft should change the design. Anyways, so let's power it on for the first time. It's the first time boot. There's the Microsoft logo. There's the Windows logo. Now I think you all might be pretty much aware of the things that are going to come. So I'll just skip all these steps, set it up, and then come back. Okay guys, so we have set up the phone, and here it's done. Okay, so this is a huge screen for me. I was a fan of 4-inch screen phones, but then I decided to upgrade to a 5-inch one. It was a tough decision because initially I had decided to stick with 4-inch smartphones only. Okay, so here's the 5-inch 720p display. Looks great, and it has a Gorilla Glass 3. One thing that's different from the phone, apart from the screen size, is that here you have the okay, button is always available. The navigation button is always bar is always available. Just flick up from the bottom of the screen to show it. Okay, so if you do like this, it disappears, appears, disappears. So flicking from the bottom is how you bring up the or make it disappear the navigation bars. So that's the difference. On Lumia 520 I was used to the capacitive touch buttons, and now I'll be experiencing the what to say, on-screen buttons. Looks quite good. Display looks very good. You have folders and some apps pre-installed. Now one thing to note is that I purchased this phone for 7,700 approximately, and apart from it, it also comes with various goodies like you get 1 year free subscription for Office 365 or something. I don't know what that is because I don't use it. And then you get 1,000 rupees free recharge from MobiQuick, and you also get 1,200 rupees coupon from Ibibo or some other site, some travel site. I forgot. That's from Flipkart. So effectively, this phone is only for 5,500 rupees. That's less than $100. Yeah, there's some pre-installed apps, Ola Caps, MobiQuick. This still comes with mixed radio, but I don't think it has the same 3-month free download facility as was available during the time when I purchased the Lumia 520. Then you have a Game Loft hub, special hub. That's something new. You have Food Panda, Flipkart, Fitbit. You have a Fitbit app pre-installed. You have Cortana. That would work only if you are in US or you have to change your region to US. So that's it. Nothing new. Settings. Here are the settings. It's the same thing. No, it's a bit different. Okay, so it's a bit different this time. These are classified under several titles like network plus wireless. Then you have personalization, accounts, system, time plus language, input, accessibility, privacy, update, backup, extras. Previously all used to come under the same settings menu. I'll be checking it and comparing it with the Lumia 520 settings menu, and if there's something which I can make a separate video, then I will surely make that video if it's worth making one. So that was pretty much it, guys. Yeah, let's just quickly check the camera. Now this one doesn't come with a dedicated camera button, unlike Lumia 520. It comes with Lumia icon camera pre-installed. There's a fixed, sorry, autofocus camera, 8 megapixel. Okay, so here's the image. Pretty nice, 8 megapixel autofocus. So that was it, guys, for this video. Unboxing video. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.